Hey, you lucky people. My name is Sean, and this is Sean's Stocks. Before we get started, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor, so please use your own judgment and do your own due diligence on anything that I talk about today. Today, we're going to continue talking about the underdog, the lucky stock, the one and only Clov. Clov, C-L-O-V. This is going to be my sixth video that I made about Clov. So if you want to binge watch those below, they're in the description. If you appreciate my following of Clov and want to get this video out to more people and help spread the word about Clov even more and get the momentum going, please like the video, share with a friend or your communities, and subscribe. Let's get to 100 subscribers soon. I know we can do it, so let's get going. So with that being said, let's get started. In my last video, I mentioned that in 1 week, this stock rose 32.45%. That was big, right? Well, here we are on June 7th, 2021. And so far in this one day, if you can believe it, the stock rose 32.44, just 0.01% underneath the last week, right? So in the after hours, it was even better. So we definitely surpassed it with 8.39% rising. So we beat an entire week, people, an entire week all in one day, including the after hours. So that's amazing. That's impressive. And I hope that momentum just keeps on going. But let's get into the main part of this video. Here are going to be 10 great reasons why I still like this stock. Number one, the market cap. As it sits right now, the market cap for this stock is at $5.25 billion. As you can see right here. Who is this company going up against, though? It's going up against Cigna, 84 billion market cap, Humana, 53 billion, United Healthcare, 377 billion. So we definitely have a lot of room to go coming from 5.25 billion, right? Number two, there is going to be no dilution. In my opinion, there will not be a lot of share printing. And stocks like AMC, there were some. So I would be very surprised if that happens with Clov. Clover Health is doing well financially. Going off that, number three, the fundamentals of this company are sound. They have good growth, good IP and technology, no debt, and they are involved in the healthcare sector. Very good sector to be part of. Number four, Clov joined the Russell 2000 membership list after market close on Friday, which will be implemented after market close on June 25th. This has major buying power and will cause other funds to track it. We're going to take a look real quick and see. The Russell US indexes are designed to reflect the ever-changing US equity market, and the annual reconstitution process is critical to maintaining accurate representation. So this is really important, right? This is going to be a driver of this. This is going to be a catalyst. And we just saw on Friday, we saw it there, but it's going to be implemented after market close on June 25th. Number five, institutional buyers. According to the Nasdaq's website, institutional ownership for this stock is at 105%. Looking right here, 105.25% right there. So let's take a look at some of the institutional owners real quick on that same page. Looking at it, we got Golden Oaks Capital Partners, LLC. That is a new person on the block. Number two, we got Vanguard, also new. Bailey and Gifford & Co., also new. Some of these you have heard their names before. We got big institutional owners in this game, and they are new, I think as of last week even, right? So that is a great thing going for this stock still. Number six, right now on iBorrowDesk, the current fee is at 4.5%. The last time I mentioned this, the fee was only at 3.2%. And the reason I mentioned it was because in one day it went from 1.6 to 3.2, it doubled. So that is going to be what it is right now, 4.5%. And what that is the fee charged by a brokerage for borrowing shares and expressed as an annual percentage charged by the interactive broker. Number seven. Ooh, it's only going to get better from there, guys. So number 7, the volume. The volume on the day was huge, 125 million. The average is only 25, right? So people were itching on this stock in the after hours too. This goes hand in hand with the large scale orders on Webull. If we look at the large scale orders on Webull, we can see that there was a lot of inflow. A lot of info. We get a little bit of outflow, a little bit of inflow. But today, a very, very lot of inflow. And so that is definitely really promising. The last one, or no, not last one, the second to last one, number 9. Can you believe it? Number 9. Let's look at the 1-year target on NASDAQ's website, $15, right? Right now, we're sitting at a cool 12.92. Very cool 12.92. So seeing that $15 on the NASDAQ's website right there is definitely promising. And actually, this is going to be the last one and the juiciest one. The last one and my favorite is that Clov has a 44.16% of short interest. Last time I spoke, it was 41.38. So it rose about 3% in a couple of days, right? So that is a juicy squeeze potential right there. So now we're going to dive into the chart for Clov for the day. So take a look at this. This is just stupid remarkable right here. This chart, as you can see, had very healthy day. Oh my gosh. So looking at this, very healthy move almost all of the day, it was above the VWAP. Here's the VWAP right here. Almost the entire day, except for this little bit right here, it was above the VWAP. That's very important, okay? We started off the day at 9:47. We continued with that movement, and right around about 11:25 a.m., we did see a little bit of a pullback. But we did push right through it. And as you can see here, it just keeps on going all the way up. If I had to draw a more better diagonal line, I think that would be pretty hard for me to do, right? I've never seen a stock in a very long time go diagonally up like this. Very consistent, very good growth, continued in the after hours. We saw it end at the end of the day at $11.92. And this bad guy, it continued all the way in the after hours from $11.92 all the way up $1 to $12.92. Okay. And so that was a really great push. At the high, we saw it at $13.26. At the low, I think that was in the pre-market. Yeah, it was in the pre-market. I think it was about $9 or so in the pre-market. So $9.35. And so throughout this day, we saw it crazy potential. And when you see all of this, it's very simple. The more volume will cause more pressure, which will cause Clov to have a higher probability of going up. We need to continue with that high volume. We had a ton of high volume today. We need to continue that for the next couple of days. It's super important. With all that in mind, this stock should be in the news more. It should be on the front page stickied on Wall Street Bets even, in my opinion. And so we'll see what it does. Right? So again, check out the other 5 videos on Clov that I have in my description. If you like this content and want me to continue following Clov this closely, hit the like button, subscribe, and have a great trading day, you lucky people. Take care and have a great trading day. Take care. Bye-bye.